A record producer gave the band $50,000 to write and record an album of songs. This $50,000 was invested in an annuity that provides a monthly payment to the band. $50,000 was an annuity that provides a monthly payment. The annuity pays interest rate at 3.12% per annum, compounding monthly. After 6 months of writing and recording, the band has that much remaining in the annuity. What is the value in dollars of the monthly payment to the band? Okay, so let's go back to this again. So, 50,000 invested in annuity provides by now. The annuity monthly after 6 months. So 6 months. He says the interest rate was 3.12. Principal value, the record gave the band $50,000 to write. So they got $50,000. We don't know what the payment's going to be. The future value of that was minus, because we have to change the value, minus 32667.68. Payments per year, monthly, compounds per year, we're done. And if we hit payment, we get $3,000 per month. I mean, there's a few decimal points there, but effectively we could round that. So, oh, and again, we get $3,000 per month. 1 mark. Now again, remember, for further maths questions where it's 1 mark, you just have to show the answer. If it's more than 1 mark, you have to show some form of working out.